Dear all students, myself Miss Komal Jadhav, working as a lecturer in Sri Sant Krupa Shikshan Sanstha's College of Pharmacy, D Farm, Gogao. Today, I am going to discuss about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates definition. It is defined as organic compound which are polyhydroxyaldehyde or polyhydroxyketone or compound that yield their derivatives on hydrolysis, also called as saccharides, means sugar. General formula CnH2ON. Example glucose. Classification and nomenclature of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are broadly classified into three parts: monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, and polysaccharide. Monosaccharides are classified depending upon functional groups such as aldoses and ketoses. Aldoses are classified into 5 groups depending upon number of carbon atom present, such as trioses, tetroses, pentoses, hexoses, and heptoses. Example of aldoses: glucose. Ketoses again classified into 5 groups depending upon number of carbon atom present, such as trioses, tetroses, pentoses, hexoses, and heptoses. Example of ketoses is fructose. Oligosaccharides are broadly classified into 3 groups such as disaccharide, trisaccharide, and tetrasaccharide. Disaccharide example maltose, lactose, sucrose. Trisaccharide example raffinose. Tetrasaccharide example styrose. Polysaccharides are classified into 2 groups such as homopolysaccharide and heteropolysaccharides. Homopolysaccharides example starch, dextrin, glycogen, cellulose, insulin. Heteropolysaccharide example hyaluronic acid, heparin, chondroitin sulfate, dermatan sulfate, and keratin sulfate. Monosaccharides. Mono means one, saccharide means sugar unit. Example of monosaccharides is glucose. Monosaccharides are subdivided into different groups depending upon functional group. First, aldoses CHO group, second, ketoses C double bond O group, and third, depending upon number of carbon atom they passes. First, trioses 3 carbon atom, second, tetroses 4 carbon atom, 3 pentoses 5 carbon atom, 4 hexoses 6 carbon atom, and 5 heptoses 7 carbon atom present. Classification of monosaccharides. It classified on depending upon number of carbon atom present. 3 carbon atom present means trioses type of sugar. Example in aldoses glyceraldehyde. Example in ketoses dihydroacetone. 4 carbon atom present mean trioses. Erythrose in aldoses and erythrolose in ketoses. 5 carbon atom present means pentoses, ribose and xylose in aldoses, and ribulose and xylulose in ketoses. 6 carbon atom present means hexoses. Example glucose and galactose in aldoses and fructose in ketoses. 7 carbon atom present means heptoses. Example in aldoses glucoheptose, and example in ketoses is pseudoheptulose. Monosaccharides are the final or ultimate hydrolysis product of carbohydrates which cannot be further hydrolyzed. Quickly understanding the reactions of monosaccharide. There is a number of monosaccharides reactions such as oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, phenylhydrazine reaction, dehydration, and esterification reaction. Disaccharides. Di means 2, saccharides means sugar. Example of disaccharide is lactose and maltose. The carbohydrates which on hydrolysis yield 2 molecules of same or different monosaccharides are called as disaccharides. Example lactose, maltose, and sucrose. Oligosaccharides. It contains 2 to 10 monosaccharides in it. They are joined together by a specific bond called as glycosidic bond. on hydrolysis, they give 2 to 10 molecules of simple sugar unit. They are subdivided based on the number of monosaccharide units, such as disaccharide, trisaccharide, tetrasaccharide, and pentasaccharide. Example of oligosaccharide, raffinose. It is a trisaccharide unit. Polysaccharides. Poly means many, saccharides means sugar unit. Example of polysaccharide is starch and glycogen. Carbohydrates which give more than 10 molecules of same or different monosaccharides are called as polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are broadly classified into homopolysaccharides and heteropolysaccharides. Example of homopolysaccharides are starch, glycogen, dextrins. Example of heteropolysaccharides are agar, pectins, and glycosaccharides. What are homopolysaccharides? Means carbohydrate which on hydrolysis yield more than 10 molecules of same monosaccharides called as homopolysaccharides. In heteropolysaccharides, carbohydrates which on hydrolysis yield more than 10 molecules of same monosaccharides are called as heteropolysaccharides. Thank you.